Let's learn how to play Crazy Eights. This game can be played with 2 or more players. Before we get started, remove the unicorn card. Deal 5 cards to each player. If you have any action cards in your hand, go ahead and discard them. Remaining cards form the draw pile. Place the top card of the draw pile face up. This is the starting card. Players take turns playing cards which match the number or suit of the top card on the play pile. If you do not have a match, draw a card from the draw pile. A Crazy 8 card can be used anytime to match any number or suit. Remember to call out the suit you want the next player to play. If you draw an action card, play it and perform the action. The first player to get rid of all their cards wins the game.